Hey, Dunspress 1242 here. Today we'll be painting Marowak with ketchup. Yesterday with Cubone, I talked briefly about the remastered scene in Let's Go Pikachu, where you have to defeat the ghost of Marowak to allow their soul to rest. Taking it back a few years though, I remember one of the first Playground Poke rumors I heard was that you could catch the ghost of Marowak, but only if you had a Master Ball, of course. Since you couldn't legitimately acquire that at that point of the game without trading, I was simply left to ponder the validity of that claim until I got older and knew better. Another Playground rumor I heard was about the Pokegod, Mew 3. I think I saw a card depicting them once on eBay and was thrilled at the idea. Those were simpler times. Anyway, here's Marowak. I hope you enjoy, but let me know what you think. I'll see y'all tomorrow.